Good afternoon, my dear students of class 3. Today I am going to teach you how to make a paper origami basket. For that you need one square paper and rest of that A4 paper you need for handle. Now I am going to start it. Fold it in a triangle like this way. Again make triangle. One more time make triangle. I'll sew it again. Make a triangle. Then after open it, insert the finger here and press it like this. Another side also do the same. Press it like this. It will be a square shape. Then after you have to fold it like this. Back side also do the same. Fold it like this. Another side also, all the four sides we are going to fold in the same way. Now opposite, again I am going to repeat it again. Fold it like this. Another side also do the same. Fold it like this. All the four sides we are going to fold in the same way, like this. Then after, this side and opposite of this side we are going to insert it inside like this way. Opposite side, this one also we are going to insert it like this. Now I will make a handle for that. Now my handle is ready, and you have to insert the handle like this, fold it like this way and fold like this. Again I will do it again like this and fold like this. This you have to fold it up to the middle part of this handle. Another side also fold it up to the middle part of this handle. Then after I will stapler it. Another back side also I will fold in the same way. Again I am going to stapler here. Now our basket is ready. If you want to decorate it, you can put a small paper flower here and here. It will look better. Stay home, stay safe. I think you will try it at home. Thank you.